Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile background on the Bloodstrike PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bloodstrike game on your device, and after you are taken into the home page, if you wish to change the background for your avatar or profile, then simply tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. This will then take you into the personal info section. Just tap on your current avatar, which will open up the edit info menu. Now here you can change all of your basic information as well as your avatar and the card background. Tap on the card background menu and this will now show you various different backgrounds that are available for your profile. The one that is currently used is shown with a green marker at the top right corner. Now you can unlock more and more card backgrounds as you continue to progress further within the game. And you can simply click on the ones that are unlocked to see a preview at the right side. After finding the one that you wish, tap on the equip button and now it will be equipped within your profile right away. You can come back to this menu at any point of time in order to change your card background once again in the future. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your profile or card background on the Bloodstrike PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.